what I like about this charger that I didn't like about the Energizer charger was that if the battery got depleted too much on the Energizer charger, it was literally marked as dead. But on this one, it would recover the battery and recharge it, which I don't buy the Energizer chargers anymore because what's the purpose? But what I'm really impressed about this one is that it allows you to charge and discharge the battery. And some of these batteries, if they nickel-nack-had, one of the problems with nickel-nack-had batteries is that they develop a memory. Also more batteries. Current collection is going to be depleted. Actually, I've pretty much wiped out almost all the batteries I have in the house with rechargeable batteries. I don't buy a whole lot of, and buying the cheap ones at the dollar store don't quite cut it. This one is, I really like to plug this up. I'm trying to find a adapter that I can plug this into. Oh, that's not gonna work because the cord's too short. You know, let's try this, folks. Let me see something. I'm going to see what we can do, because I don't think this is still going to be long enough. But let's see. Stay right there. Okay. Maybe now you could see it. Got the two little LEDs. If you can see it or not, you can probably see it better now. So on here, on this panel, there's no batteries in it, so it doesn't show anything. So let's grab some batteries. What are these? These are probably some okay. These are my Chinese EBL batteries, which I've not had a whole lot of problems with, surprisingly.